Hey everybody, Dennis here again, guy of all trades. Today, I'm gonna show you how to install a locking doorknob on a bedroom door. Let's do this. All right, so taking apart this lock set kit here, we have a couple pieces. So you have your bedroom side with the lock on it. You have your hall side. You have your door latch. This latch is adjustable on here, depending on where the hole is drilled on the door. Also, this faceplate on here can actually be removed, and you can put this piece here on here and flush mount if you don't want to have this mortised portion on here with this countersunk. It actually looks a little bit cleaner with this, but we're gonna install it with this particular faceplate on it because we did that with the rest of the doors. And then it also comes with your hardware kit. It has a couple machine screws to hold the two halves together. And then there's 4 wood screws, 2 for the door latch, and then also 2 for the strike. We're gonna first start off with this. And we're just gonna screw these in here. So we're in here. Very next step is to take your knob assemblies. So typically the one that has the shaft on it goes in first, and there are a couple holes here that you can see. You have this one here and the one on the outside, and that's where these 2 posts go through. Now your square portion here goes into here like that, and then you'll see this all fits flush on here now, so we know that everything is lined up properly. It's sitting flush on the door. And then we're gonna come to the back side here. You'll notice you have this here. This is actually what locks this. So you have to pay attention. These 2 go over those 2 studs, right? And your square shaft fits inside of here. This also has to go into your lock, I guess, lever here. And if you look inside of here, you can see there's a little plastic bushing in there. So typically what it is with this pointing up and down, this needs to be the opposite direction. And then all you have to do next is take your 2 machine screws. What I typically do is I get them started with my fingers, and I try to screw them down as far as possible. If it feels like it's bound up, you can kind of jiggle the assembly around a little bit. And then we'll test, make sure it's locked, and it does not turn from either side with this locked. All right, so that's that. It's very, very simple. Our next step here, I'm actually gonna yank the shims out from under the door here, and we're gonna mount the strike. There is a little metal tab in here that you can see. You can actually, when you go to close your door, if the door kind of bounces when it's latched, if there's a little bit of play in there, you can actually stick a small flathead screwdriver into this little tab here and bend it out enough, just enough to put a little extra pressure on the door latch to help hold that door shut really good. All right, so I was testing out the door, and I'm actually glad I have this problem because I can show you guys how to fix it. So you'll notice it doesn't lock in very easily. I actually have to push it. So we're actually gonna move the strike plate out towards the bedroom side a little bit, and I'll show you how to do that. So what I'm gonna do to get this to move forward here, I have to take some of this material right here off. So I have a 1/2 inch wood chisel. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this in here like this. You could probably do it with a utility knife if you're careful. I can already see that it's sitting closer. Perfect. All right, right, that wraps it up for today's video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you found this video useful, leave me a comment below. I'd love to read your comments. Any suggestions on future videos? I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content coming out. Until next time, thanks for watching.